Well, as we switch back gears and we take a look at our Trivia Tuesday question, Emma and I are working on our science experiment that Kelly gave us.
You guys are writing out
here's the question.
Some possible solutions. Okay, here's our question for our trivia today. If the Earth were the size of a nickel, the moon would be about as big as a what? A coffee bean, B, an ant, C, a grain of sand, or D, a speck of dust. Of course, a speck of dust is the smallest on the list. The coffee bean is the largest. Okay. Any thoughts on this, you guys?
Okay, well, here's the science project that Emma's been working on behind the snes here. So I don't know which camera I should look at. Camera
That's
2,
the real
maybe?
deal right
Yeah,
there.
it is the real deal.
Okay, we grabbed a nickel from my purse.
We found a nickel. There you go. The nickel's being held up by my thumb there. Maybe zoom in a little bit if you can.
So
Go ahead, Emma.
what I was thinking is that it's difficult for me to think of how this equates because most of them are not round. But being what I estimate a coffee bean is and what I estimate an ant is.
And like it's a blank for a speck of dust.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I think ant.
Going with
Final
ants.
answer.
I was going with what? B, ant? Okay.
B, ant. James, what do you think?
Travis?
You know what? Oh yeah, you want to go
Okay,
first?
I'll
Travis?
go. Sure, I'll go. I can see ant being right, but I'll go grain of sand. I'll go C.
Okay.
That was going to be my choice.
Yeah,
You
you're allowed to
can't-
still
that
choose
can
it.
be
You know
your
what?
choice, James.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to go with grain of sand too.
Okay,
Go on,
correct
man,
answer
Travis.
is drum roll. It is coffee beans.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, isn't that impressive? The moon is less than a third of the width of Earth, but around a third. So
Okay.
it's actually quite large compared to the Earth.
All right.
Yeah.
That was a
Big
good
old-
question,
big old
Kelly.
rock. Thank
All
you.
right.
Hopefully you got that at home. But
Who'da
yeah,
thunk?
if the Earth is the size of a nickel, the moon is about the size of a coffee bean. So here's your peek out in Canby. I was able to find the moon behind the trees and just love this shot. The trees illuminated by that bright moon that's out there. If you look towards the south, you might be able to see it briefly before it falls below the horizon, heading into the rest of our morning. And we are still seeing some clear conditions as we set up our morning. So the moon, very bright out there. It's about 99.4% full at 7:45 tonight. That's when it's officially full. And we'll also see a partial lunar eclipse. Well, if the clouds aren't in the way. I do think it will be quite cloudy as we head our way into tonight. So maybe some tough views of that tonight, but get a good look out there this morning if you're up early and out the door here. Temperatures are quite cool as we set up our morning. We're back in the mid-40s right now out west to Hillsboro with the clear skies out there. Temperatures have fallen, so you'll want the jacket out there. Mid-50s in Portland, quite warmer here as you look towards the metro area. Now to Troutdale, too. Same for Vancouver. We're mostly in the 50s. And the coastline, too, back under clouds and in the 50s. Now, we're dry for now in western Oregon, but take a wider look at our next low system that is offshore and a cold front that will start to move inland here, dragging in more clouds across the morning and finally some rain showers as we hit the afternoon. So here's our future cast today. We are awaiting some rain showers. There's that front as that moisture starts to glide in. I do think maybe around lunchtime we'll start to bring in some rain showers around the coastline. And as we hit the early afternoon, we'll see those showers spreading up the valley from the south here. So down in Salem, maybe getting some rain showers by 2, 3 p.m. This model keeps Portland dry around 4 p.m. So those showers have a chance to arrive anytime around 3 to 4 p.m. But maybe we're still fairly dry here around Portland at that hour. It's not until we hit the evening, maybe 5, 6, 7 p.m. that those rain showers start to move in. And look at how these showers break apart as the system hits the area here. We start to dry out even by midnight tonight, and through much of tomorrow morning that rain already dissipated and out the door here. So the system coming in will be a quick one. I do see lighter rain totals coming our way too. This shouldn't be a washout. Again, maybe some damp conditions and lighter showers, but the rain looks to be done and we dry out as we head our way into Wednesday. So right back into some nice conditions to wrap up the week here and drier conditions by Wednesday and beyond. But take a peek here at forecast rain totals. Two models here on the left side of your screen showing different outcomes. So one model showing maybe we get to about 2/10 of an inch of rain throughout today and tomorrow. One model showing next to nothing in terms of amounts of rain. So I do think this is a little uncertain. I do think the rainfall will be on the lighter side of things, maybe a quick shower here and there. But again, not expecting a washout with this system. So prepare for some rain. I would grab the rain jacket. Again, these showers will be scattered as we hit the evening, but look at that Wednesday and beyond. We are back to dry weather here. around Portland. So some fantastic days to get back outside this week by tomorrow into the weekend as we await the start of fall on Sunday. So today for the coast, do expect to see rain showers. It does look quite wet out there, especially around the central parts of the coastline. Low to mid 60s too, just a cooler day. Same goes for Portland. We're back in the mid 60s, about a 10 to 12 degree drop heading into our afternoon compared to Monday's warm and sunny day. So again, a big change here. We're much cooler and we'll introduce some light rain showers as we hit the afternoon and evening. Now Wednesday we're drying back out and we'll hover in the 70s as we work our way towards the weekend. Fall officially starts on Sunday. There's a chance for a quick shower possible, but we might end up on the drier side of things there too. So enjoy the rest of the week. After today's rain showers, we have some beautiful weather to say goodbye to the summer season and introduce fall, which officially kicks off here on Sunday.
Thanks, Kelly.